All right. A few days ago, a 16-year-old young boy from Gulu city, amanya ge nga ye Joshua Leon Otim, yafa. Cause of his death, one Saturday Bobi yali mu district ye Gulu oba mu kibuga kye Gulu, thugs abaali balina emiggo, abavubuka abaali balina emiggo baamukuba, and it caused his death. Now different people have come out okubanga banenya abantu abaali emabega w'eno ensonga. Of course ebiri mu streets kigambibwa mbu omukulu amanyikibwa nga Ojala Mapinduzi. Is it Ojala Mapinduzi if I'm not mistaken? Yes. An MP ye yali mu ddiiru y'okunoonya abavubuka bano, era kigambibwa nti basasula ssente okubanga bakozinga havoc and violence ku convoy ya Kyagulanyi Ssentamu Robert Bobi Wine lwe yajja mu Gulu. Now abamu ku bondooza omunyago oba engabana yaganye oba byazze bubi bavuddeyo okubanga banenya, era nga bagamba nti bakooye omusajja gwe bayita Ojala Mapinduzi always okubakozesa ate n'amaliriza nga tabasasudde. Omuvubuka omu ku abo abaali bakutte emiggo avuddeyo n'akola video gy'akoze eno of course etambudde ku mikutu egy'enjawulo, era ne Bobi Wine agipostinze. Newankubadde nga video eno ebadde mu lulimi olukyoli, Bobi Wine asabye any person asobola okutranslatinga ayambe translatingire bannayuganda what exactly this young man was trying to say. Of course olwogedde tumaze ne tufuna what exactly he was saying. According to this young man, abadde omunyiivu ennyo, avuddeyo n'ategeeza nti bakooye okukozesebwa bannabyabufuzi nga balina ensonga zaabwe ze baagala okuyisaawo. Mu post gye bannyonnyodde, this man was trying to say, we are not happy, we are very pissed, we have a very bad relationship with the community. People see us as very badly. We have been doing very bad things for NRM because you promised to get something to transform our lives. But we have been reliably informed that some of your NRM political businessmen have been using our names to get huge sums of money. Like you, Honorable Mapenduzi, you got money so far twice from Todwong using our names. Now Todwong ye Secretary General wa NRM. Ojukira Bobi Wine yagenda mu district manyikiddwa nga Noya gye bazaala Todwong. You also saw thugs abakwata emiggo ne bajja mu convoy ya Kyagulanyi. So it means Todwong is known for causing violence and havoc to Kyagulanyi. Now n'amaliza n'agamba in 2021 Todwong gave you Ojala Mapinduzi 100 million for our operations, but we received only 10 million. We kept quiet. Similarly, you went to Salim Saleh and got 30 million using our names. You only gave us 300,000. We still kept quiet. Now, this time again, we were hired to attack NUP offices. You went to Todwong and got a huge sum of money, but we only received 200 shillings each. Do you think we are stupid? Do you think we don't have families and children for whom we are risking our lives for? You got, for example, 10,000 and you want to give us 7,700. Do you think we are stupid? One day we shall accept you to kill us all. We are working for you, but you think we are stupid. We are going to change. Just one of these days, we shall get red berets and flyers, then storm the city. You will see how we shall shake Gulu city. You are using our names to get money from Museveni, but we don't see it. You NRM leaders, you need to change. Don't use us as your tools. On Saturday, the 6th, you hired us to go do something very risky. We looted shops of Baganda, destroyed the trucks destroyed the truck of a Muganda. What if these people go back and do the same on us? Brackets, witchcraft. You don't care because we are not your children. Even though you promised that we will not be arrested for what we did that day, but what if that Muganda man goes and do abracadabra on us, in brackets, witchcraft, and we run mad for what we did to him? Then you will begin saying that we could have run mad because of smoking weed. Yet it is you that hired us. We want our money. At least 1 million each. If not, we are ready to die. Now, this is what the gentleman said mu video. Yayogedde naye ng'ayogera mu lulimi olukyoli. I believe most of us tuyinza obutakitegeera, naye nga yabadde ayogera ebyo ebigambo bye nkusomedde. Bobi Wine akozesezza Facebook n'agamba someone should translate this in English for the public to know. Kati kansoke mala okuvunulira olukyoli ndukuddize mu Luganda. Wuliriza.
Watu watega wang. Watega Bale community, dare na nagwang maraj, watete bijo maraj, wen PNRM.
Amazima go olukyoli sirumanyi munansonyiwa. Naye genda ku post ya Bobi Wine osome oluzungu nga bavunula everything. It is now not hidden anywhere. All those goons you saw nga bakutte emigga baali bakuba abantu. Omwali n'omwana oyo ow'emyaka 16 yakubwa n'afa just a few days ago. Nti omukulembeze Ojala Mapenduzi owa NRM ye yasasula abaana baneeno. Ojala Mapenduzi yabuzibwa bannamawulire ku nsonga eno n'agamba ye talina kyamanyiiko, abakulembeze abakoze ekyo balala wabula si ye. First and foremost, Ojala yakonfaminze nti ekyakoleddwa abakulembeze ba NRM. That is what is happening right now bannaye. Okategedde oba tokategedde. Ngenda kubanga ate mberekereza nsoke mala okukola rehearsal y'olukyoli nkomewo ndubavunulire mu Luganda mukakase nti yes abasajja bamanye ennimi.